Hello everyone. So in our previous video, we saw an animation in which we discussed that how we can merge two sorted singly linked lists. So in this video, we will actually code the algorithm and we will test its working in the main method. So friends, before we start, in case if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. So here in our previous videos, we have created one class as singly linked list. So in the same class, we will actually code the algorithm. So here let's say I give the method name as public merge. So this merge method will take two list node A and B. So these two list nodes represent two sorted singly linked lists, and now our task is to merge these two sorted singly linked lists and return it back from this method. So here as we need to merge these two sorted singly linked lists, the first step we do is we create a dummy list node and we provide a dummy value to it. Now this dummy list node will actually hold our merged sorted singly linked list, and in our previous video we have saw that why we are creating this dummy list node. It is actually providing us a concrete object in the heap so that we can avoid the null pointer exceptions. Now as this dummy list node will hold our merged sorted singly linked list, we will create a list node, let's say by name tail, and this tail will actually point to this dummy list node. So the dummy list node will actually hold the complete list, and we will use this tail list node and we will add one element from both the list using this tail pointer. We will see that later. Now after that we will provide a while loop. Now as we need to merge these two sorted singly linked lists, we have to compare their respective elements with each other. So that we will do in the while loop. So the condition we provide is A should not be equal to null and B should not be equal to null. So here as we are comparing one element from both the list with each other, there will be a time that either A or B get exhausted. So if any of the list get exhausted, we will exit from the while loop. Now inside this while loop, as we are merging these two sorted singly linked lists and we want the resultant list also sorted, let's say if I give an example, so here let's say A has 3 nodes 1, 3, 5 and B has 3 nodes 2, 4 and 6. Now when we will merge these two sorted singly linked lists, the resultant list will be like it will also be sorted. So here in this while loop what we are doing is we are comparing the elements of both the list. First we compare 1 with 2. We know that 1 is less than 2. So 1 will be inserted first. Then after inserting 1, we move to 3. And then we compare 2 with 3. And we know that 2 is less than 3. So the next element comes as 2. So we move to 4. And then we compare 3 with 4. 3 is less than 4. So 3 will come here. And we keep on doing that till one of the lists get exhausted. So here we provide a if condition because we need to find the smallest element among both the list for the current iteration. So here what we do is we simply compare A data and see whether it is less than or equal to B's data. So if A's data is less than or equal to B's data, it means to tails next we will assign A and then we will simply move A to its next node. So here when we compared 1 with 2, 1 is less than 2, so we added 1 to the resultant list via this assignment, and then we move to 3. So we did a equal to a dot next. And similarly, if b's data is less than a's data, what we do is we simply add b to tails next, and then we move b to its next node. So here 1 is less than 2, so we added 1 and we move to 3, and in the next iteration we compared 2 with 3. So 2 was less than 3, so we added 2 here, and then we moved to 4, so that in the next iteration we compare 3 with 4. And why we are doing this comparison? Because we need to get this list and it should be sorted. So in this while loop we are comparing each and every element of a and b, and whichever element is left we are simply adding that node into tails next, and then we are simply moving the respective references to its next node so that we can compare the next element. And here we also need to move tail to its next node. So here let's say first we added 1. So initially tail must have been here, so we have used tail.next and added 1. So the 2 will come after 1. So we have to move tail also ahead, so that in the next iteration if we do tail.next, 2 will come here, and then we'll simply move tail to 2. And we keep on moving tail ahead till there are nodes in a and b. So this step is also important, that we need to move tail also ahead, so that in the next iteration we are adding a different element to tails next. So after this while loop, there will be two possibilities. Either a will get exhausted or b will get exhausted. So here let's say if I copy this part, so let's say instead of 5 we have like this, and here we have so here you can see in the result list, first we will add 1, then 2 will come, then 3, 4. So after 4, a will get exhausted, and as we need to merge this to sorted singly linked list, these elements should also become the part of the result list. So one property here to notice, as both the lists are sorted and as one of the lists get exhausted, we can directly append the rest of the list after 4. So we can directly do this after the while loop like this, and this will actually merge both the list and will also be sorted. So here what we do is we simply check if a is equal to null, because here in the while loop, as we are moving a to its next and b to its next, either a will get exhausted first, that a will point to null, or b will get exhausted, that b will point to null. So if a is equal to null, then here we saw that we have directly appended b to the result list. So here what we do is we do b. Else, if b is equal to null, we directly append a. And after this if else block, we know that we have merged both the list. So at the end what we do is we need to return the head of this resultant list. So we will simply do dummy dot next and we will return it. So why we are doing dummy dot next, here you can see this dummy is a list node we created, and whatever the nodes we added after this dummy using tails next. We started with dummy node and we used tails next and added the nodes. So the actual head would be dummies next, because the first node was inserted in tails next and tail was pointing to dummy. So at the end we need to return dummies next. So friends, this is the algorithm to merge two sorted singly linked lists. Now let's test its working in the main method. So in the main method, we will create two singly linked lists. and we will add few nodes to it. We do insert last, and let's say if we add the nodes in the sorted form, so we first add 1, and let's say we add 4 and 8. So this node should be in sorted form. First node will be 1, then it will be 4, and then it will be 8. Now we'll create one more singly linked list. And here let's say if I give value as 3, 5, 8, and let's say 9, 14, 18. So here after 8, this list will get exhausted and we can directly place the remaining list via this if else block. So if I do dot display, so currently if I run the code, so here you can see we have this 2 singly linked list which are sorted 1, 4, 8, 3, 5, 8, 9, 14 and 18 like this. So now we will call the merge method, and as we need to pass the head of A and B, what we'll do dot head. So we have passed the head of both the list because this method is taking a list node, and this method will return us a list node representing a singly linked list which is merged and sorted. So here we will create one more singly linked list. We'll give a name as result, and let's say whatever list node this merge method will return, we will simply add it to results head like this, and we will simply do result dot display. So when we will merge this two sorted singly linked list, this head will actually hold that list, and then here we are calling the display method to print the contents of the final list. So if I run the code now, so here you can see that the resultant list which we got is the combination of these two lists, and it is also sorted. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 8 because we have 2 8 here, then 9, 14, 18. So after this list got exhausted, 8, 9, 14 and 18 were directly added here. So friend, this was all about that how we can merge two sorted singly linked lists. Here we have used the idea of dummy pointers which we have discussed in greater detail in our previous video, and using a tail we are adding one node in this while loop after comparing A's data and B's data, and at the end if any of the lists got exhausted, we are simply appending the opposite list to tails next, and at the end we are returning dummy.next because this dummy we actually created to get a concrete object, and all the nodes were added just after the dummy node. So at the end we simply return dummies next. So friends, I hope you must have liked this video. In case if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. Thanks, have a nice day.